welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Summer Walker over it album cover inspired makeup look. So we're going to start off the brows, which I already did due to the power of editing, and then I realized I wasn't even recording, so I had to take off my eye look and start all over. I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills primer mixed in with my concealer, going in with shade A5 out of the Norvina Volume 1 palette. So with this color, I'm really going to focus on packing it on into the crease. I was trying not to worry too much about blending, but we had a little of that mixed in. But you really just want to make sure you saturate with this color and really pack it on. Don't worry too much about blending. We'll blend it out later, so that way we have no harsh lines and it's more of a blended out pink look. Also, if you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Destiny. You can follow me on Instagram at Turnersbeauty, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe to this video. Okay, so now I'm going in with a clean blending brush. There's no product on here. I'm just going to diffuse the edges of the eyeshadow that we packed on. This is what's going to give us that blown out blended look. This will take time, so don't dip back into the palette and pick up more pigment. Just keep blending, 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 blending. Blend. And then I'm going in with the shade B1 and A5 and a shorter, denser blending brush. I'm really going to pack that in more so on the outer corner just to resaturate the eye, but I also felt like Summer Walker had some dimension with her pink eyeshadow. I don't feel like it was all just pink. And then using my Anastasia primer and my concealer again, I'm going to softly cut the lid. I didn't want it to be too crispy, you know, because it was more of a softer look. Then I'm going in with C1 and I'm going to set that concealer, pack it on, but I also mix that in with, I believe, shade A5. I do that because it wasn't completely white in her inner corner. It was just like a softer light baby pink. So I mixed the white and the hot pink just to, you know, get the look that we're going for. And again, it's inspired, so. And then I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid black liner, which is amazing. If you don't have this and you have troubles with your wing liner, go get you some of this. It's so bomb, matte and black. It's bomb. And then we're going to move on to the face. I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Face Primer. This is my first time using it. I just wanted to try something new. It's supposed to be like a gripping primer, and it was actually pretty nice. Kept my makeup on until I was ready to take it off. And you guys, please don't mind my hair. It was definitely wash day, so it looked a little dry, but I needed to do this video. I'm going in with the Anastasia Luminous Foundation in the shade 400N. This is how I like to apply my foundation. Don't judge me, mind your business. But I like to put the product on my problem areas first, and then I'll blend it out with my beauty blender. Dampened, of course. If you're not dampening your beauty blender, what are you doing with your life? Dampen your beauty blender. That's what makes it so amazing. And then I'm going in with the Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer in the shade Warm Sand. You couldn't really see the color because of the light. And then I'm just going to apply this under my eyes and anywhere else that I want to, I guess, brighten and highlight or add any additional coverage. And then blend that out with my beauty blender. Guys, I'm also using a ring light for the first time. So in some shots I look washed out, some shots I don't. So I'm still trying to figure that out. I normally use like soft boxes, so work with me. And then I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses No More Blemish powder. This is the setting powder that I always use, and everybody always asks me, what powder are you using? It's 9 times out of 10 it's this Ruby Kiss one. And then I'm going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish setting powder, and I'm going to use that to set under my eyes. This again was also my first time using it, and I really liked it. It was soft and blurring, and I might continue to use it. And then to bronze and contour, I am using the Fenty Beauty Cocoa Naughty bronzer. I'm going to use this on a big face brush first, just to really give my skin a nice all over bronze complexion. And then I will take it on a more dense contouring brush to really focus and carve out my cheekbones and just look snatched. Okay, we all want to look snatched. I love looking snatched. So. And then I am going in with a little bit of this Makeup Forever Fusion highlighter, just as a base. Oh, I guess I added blush and I didn't include the clip, but I applied a pink blush because Summer Walker had quite some blush on, so I threw on blush. And then I'm going in with the Artist Couture Yes highlighter on top because I really wanted a glow. And then I'm removing the lip balm that I had on, and I'm going in with the MAC Cork Lip Liner. It's my favorite lip liner. I use it with every single lip that I do now. I don't know, at first when I bought it, I hated this color, and now I can't stop using it. So there's that. I'm going in with a pink Dior gloss because Summer Walker only had on like a sheer glossy pink lip. So to really give it that glossy lip look, I went in with a classic Victoria's Secret pink lip gloss. Then I'm going to do the finger pop, you know, make sure we get all that excess lip gloss off because it's not cute if it's on your teeth, okay? Then I'm just going to line the rim of my eyes with a little bit of the Charlotte Tilbury black eyeliner, just so that way we have something to bring out the eyes. And then I'm taking shade A5 again, and I'm going to blend that out on my waterline, just so that way we tie the look together. You don't want to have a heavy eye on top and nothing on the bottom. Balance, baby, balance. And also add some mascara. I only put it on my bottom lashes. And that's it, guys. That is the look. Thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and do so. Get your girl out of retail, okay?